and in this video we are going to learn about interchange of degrees of comparison type 2. So before that let us see even type 1. I have written here Ravi is taller than Raju. So positive degree is Raju is not so tall as Ravi. So this is the first type that we learnt in my previous video. So today we are going to learn about type 2. Now here Ravi is not taller than Raju. Again here it's in comparative degree. Now see the difference between first one and then second one. Here we have only taller than, whereas here not taller than. Not taller than. So comparative degree, but the sentence is in positive, and here comparative degree but the sentence is in negative, because here we have the word not. So now how can we write positive degree for its sentence? Now as usual we take Raju is. If we have not in comparative degree, we won't write not in positive degree. So Raju is as tall, again the positive degree of tall, as tall as Ravi. So it is positive degree. Now here we will get a doubt. So when we read this sentence, Ravi is not taller than Raju, but here it's saying that Raju is as tall as Ravi. So definitely we will get doubt here. So now I am going to explain the doubt to you. Please pay attention. So here once again we read this sentence, Ravi is not taller than Raju. So when I say this sentence, Ravi is not taller than Raju, and here we can get two statements. One is, see here, Ravi and Raju I have shown by drawing lines. So Ravi and Raju, here if we take this one as Ravi and if we take this one as Raju, Ravi is shorter than Raju. So here Ravi is shorter than Raju. Now here you once look at here. Here both of them are same height. So that's why here Ravi is as tall as Raju. Are you following? Ravi is shorter than Raju, or Ravi is as tall as Raju. But Ravi is not taller than Raju. Okay, he is not taller than Raju. He may be shorter than Raju, or he may be as tall as Raju. So that's why these two statements are possible, and if Ravi is as tall as Raju, then Raju is also as tall as Ravi. So that's why here we have written Raju is as tall as Ravi. Okay, whenever we write positive degree for comparative degree, we are supposed to take the last name as first. So that's why Raju is as tall as Ravi. It is in positive degree. So this we need to understand. So once again I repeat, here if I say Ravi is not taller than Raju, he is shorter than Raju, or he is as tall as Raju. If he is as tall as Raju, then Raju is also as tall as Ravi. So that's why we will have this statement here. We will write like this here. And moreover, another condition is If the sentence is positive, we will write into negative. If the sentence is negative, we will write into positive. So here, the sentence is in negative because we have not. That's why here we will write positive. Sentence. Positive degree is by looking at the adjective we will come to know. And positive sentence by looking at the negative word, that is not, or in some sentences no. So that also we need to keep in our mind. So in second type, remember, not taller than Raju, not will come here, and in positive degree we won't write not. So that's why Raju is as tall as Ravi. Now let us see a few more examples. Second one, this room is not bigger than that room. Again here it's in comparative degree, and we will write that room is as big as this room, because here we have not, and in positive degree we won't write not. So we will write only as big as. Now third one, lotus is not brighter than rose. Again it's in a comparative degree. Again here we have not. So rose is as bright as lotus. Then fourth one, my son does not study better than my daughter. Again it's in comparative degree, and again we have not here. So now we can write this one into positive degree with my daughter, because my daughter is at the end of the sentence. So we will begin again whatever we have in comparative degree, the last word. So that's why we will take my daughter. See, studies, does not study means studies, because this is negative and this is positive. As well as my son. So we will write like this, my daughter studies as well as my son, and well is positive degree of better. Now the last one, he is not wealthier than I am. We can also write I, but not me. So here I am as wealthy as he is. Okay. So here again it's a positive degree. I am as wealthy as he is, which is in positive degree. So like this we can convert comparative degree into positive degree. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.